Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Pawar here and I'm back with one more video. In this video we'll see a demo call for today. Today it is 9th September, market has opened gap down and my pre-market calls. Generally I give pre-market calls to the clients, means calls are given one day before. So today's calls were given yesterday after 8 p.m. But because market opened with a big gap down, so those calls have already hit the targets. So yesterday's put options have already hit the targets, and that is why, as per the rule, then in this case, if the calls open above the target, then I give new fresh calls, which I generally give at 10:15 a.m. Today these are the calls which you are observing on screen are given to the clients at 10:20 am, as it is written there, 9th September 10:20 am, expiry 10th September. So there is a note also, use calls only if Nifty Express calls open above target. So these calls I am giving as a demo calls also, because tomorrow it's expiry. And generally what we are finding on expiry since last few weeks, on expiry there is not good movement, there is not a good movement for traders on expiry day, but there is a very good movement either on Wednesday or on Friday. Last expiry I had given demo call, and expiry day there was a loss in Nifty, there was no loss in Bank Nifty, but in Nifty there was loss. And on Friday Nifty call option also hit target, put option also hit target. Bank Nifty call option given a big profit, put option hit the target. So there was a fantastic movement on Friday. So today these calls, this is today it's Wednesday, today it's not expiry, it is one day before the expiry, but the premiums are very low. If you see, premiums are very low. So these calls are like a Nifty call 11,250, if crosses 62.61, then target is 81.17, stop loss 44.05. Nifty put 11,250, if crosses 82.15, then target 100.71, stop loss 63.59. Same way you can read the calls of Bank Nifty also. So how to trade on these calls? There are set rules for that. These are the rules with which we trade these calls. These calls are given to the clients on website, and these rules, clients get 4 videos of these rules in detail, how to use these rules and how to trade these calls. So first, entry in trade only when call or put crosses entry price. If call crosses entry price, then buy call. If put crosses entry price, then buy put. Then if option opens with gap up, then wait for buy level and enter at the level. So this is if option opens with a small gap up but not above the target. So in this case, in that case, you have to wait for the level and then you can enter at the level. Double the quantity of second trade when stop loss is hit. Today, for example, I have written a note here that till valid till tomorrow 10 September. These levels are valid till tomorrow 10 September. So it means if you enter into call and if call hits the stop loss, if call hits the stop loss, then exit and wait for put to activate. If put activates, you can enter with double quantity. Otherwise, if put does not activate and call again activates, if call first hits the stop loss and call again activates, then you can enter into call again with double quantity. So this is example, means either call or put, either in Nifty or Bank Nifty, whichever activates. If it hits the stop loss, then you exit, and whatever trade, call or put, whatever, if it activates again, then you can enter with double quantity. That is the rule. If target is hit within 2 hours, then hold trade till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. So see, if these targets, whichever, if you enter into call or in put, if targets are hit within 2 hours, then you hold the trade till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. But these calls are live market calls. For live market calls, the rule is with original stop loss in fact signal. It means if you are trading with 2 lots, one lot you exit on target, other lot you carry till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss, with original stop loss, not on the not stop loss on the cost. If target is hit within 2 hours, one lot you book on target, other lot you carry till 3:20 p.m. with original stop loss. If you are trading Nifty and Bank Nifty with one lot each, in that case you should close either Nifty or Bank Nifty, any one, and you should carry other lot till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss which is given here. So that is original stop loss. If target, see this is important rule, if target is not hit and stop loss is also not hit, then carry for 1 or 2 days, that means till tomorrow. If stop loss is hit on both sides, then avoid trading for the day. Next day take first trade with 3 lots. If pre-market calls open, so that is already discussed. So these are the rules for these calls, and let us see, these calls have been given to clients at 10:20 am. So friends, you can contact me on my number 9890812070, and disclaimer on my website equityfact.com. You can always read. These calls are given as a demo call of the paid services. So in this video you are not asked to trade, but to check the quality of the calls and how these calls are performing, and what is the exact mechanism of trading in these calls. So in this video you are not asked to trade, and you are not also asked to put your money in these calls. If you do so, it is all your discretion. So you can further read the complete disclaimer on equityfact.com. So thanks friends, thanks for watching this video, and share this video with all of your friends so that everybody takes benefit of this knowledge. So thanks friends.